Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DeepSeek AI not letting me register on it. So sometimes the user are facing nowadays users are facing a lot of problems while registering on DeepSeek AI. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can simply open your web browser in your mobile device or in your PC or laptop, and here you just have to simply search for DeepSeek. Now once you are on the official website of DeepSeek, you can see that this banner that clearly mentioned, due to the large scale malicious attacks on DeepSeek's services, registration may be busy. So please wait and try again. Registered user can log in normally. Thank you for your understanding and support. So over here on the homepage, they have clearly mentioned that the new registrations can face a lot of problems while creating their account or while sign up. Some of them might not getting the codes on their emails. So this problem is also users are facing nowadays. So they have clearly mentioned that they might face these types of problems. So in this situation, you can just either keep on trying or you can wait and then you can retry on this platform. You can even download and install the DeepSeek AI's application in your device from Google Play Store or App Store, because I have also created my account with the help of application and I face no problem while registering into my account and while logging into my account. So you can also do the same. In the third method, you can even use a VPN. You can see in the top that I have used a VPN, so currently I'm using it. And if you want to know which VPN you can use for free, so this is Proton VPN, which is absolutely free. So you can just download and install it and connect to the server, and then you can try to register on DeepSeek AI. You can use DeepSeek AI absolutely for free as an alternative of ChatGPT. So it's something that is gaining traction for these days. So you can just simply use it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.